Welcome to the ISO IEC 17065 training course, Product, Process, and Service Certification. This training is designed to simplify your journey toward ISO IEC 17065 compliance. Throughout the course, we'll provide actionable insights to help you meet the standard's requirements and establish robust, reliable certification processes. Whether you're new to this standard or looking to refine your understanding, this course will equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to uphold excellence in product, process, and service certifications. ISO IEC 17065 that serves as a benchmark for certification bodies around the globe. Compliance with this standard signifies trustworthiness and credibility in your certification processes. By adhering to its requirements, you can enhance client confidence in your services, demonstrating your commitment to fairness, reliability, and quality. Additionally, ISO IEC 17065 enables you to stand out as a credible authority in your industry, fostering long-term success and distinguishing your organization in a competitive market. This standard is more than just a requirement, it is an investment in your organization's integrity and reputation. This course provides a comprehensive exploration of ISO IEC 17065-2012. We begin with an introduction to the standard, where you'll learn its scope, key principles, and how it applies to certifications of products, processes, and services. Next, we delve into the general requirements outlined in Chapter 4, which emphasize the importance of impartiality and confidentiality in maintaining fairness and reliability throughout the certification process. The structural requirements section focuses on building an effective organizational framework, detailing the roles, responsibilities, and authority necessary for certification bodies. In the resource requirements module, we'll discuss the qualifications and resources needed to deliver consistent and reliable certification services. The process requirements chapter covers the certification process in detail, from application review to certificate issuance, ensuring transparency and consistency at every stage. Finally, the course concludes with management system requirements, guiding you on how to establish a robust management system that includes internal audits, corrective actions, and continual improvement. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge to meet ISO IEC 17065 requirements confidently and effectively. This course offers a rich selection of resources to support your learning. Through detailed video tutorials, each chapter of ISO IREC 17065 is broken down into easy-to-follow lessons that highlight the essential components of the standard. To reinforce your learning, interactive quizzes are included to help you identify knowledge gaps and solidify your understanding. Practical exercises allow you to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios, ensuring that you can translate theory into practice. Additionally, downloadable resources such as checklists and sample templates are provided to guide you in your certification processes. Please note that while these samples are included, the full templates are available for purchase separately. At the end of the course, you'll receive a certificate of completion, which serves as evidence of your proficiency in ISO IEC 17065 compliance. This combination of resources ensures that you have everything you need to succeed. You can enroll in the ISO IEC 17065 training course for just $89. This investment provides you with the tools, resources, and knowledge necessary to implement ISO IEC 17065 effectively within your operations. By completing this course, you will ensure the credibility and reliability of your certification processes while enhancing your organization's reputation. Enrollment is simple. Visit our website, sign up, and start your journey toward ISO IEC 17065 compliance today.